After opening a new presentation, click on the Chart BI tab in the ribbon. And you will see the General Chart BI menu. On the left, you find the template library, which includes everything from any kind of lists over assessments, project management, strategy templates to analytic templates. Next to that, you can define the theme which shall be applied to your presentation, followed by the buttons to open the tutorial videos, install updates, and configure general settings. For example, click on the Lists, Simple Lists, and choose a template. The template will be inserted in the slide. If you select the entire SmartArt, a new menu opens in the ribbon called Layout. Here you can manually update the slide, open the SmartArt wizard, save your adapted SmartArt as your own template. You can filter items, highlight items, automatically generate various slides, automatically update the cloned slides, and set the theme you want to apply to your SmartArt. You can change the visualization and orientation and choose the have equal-sized blocks or resizable blocks. Show or hide your logo and a slide title, activate the column titles, change the background and set an item frame. Also, you can unhide objects which you have hidden before. If you select a block, shown here with a yellow frame, another menu opens in the ribbon called Selected Row. Here you can move a row up and down, and add or delete a block. If you click on an object within the row, the object properties appear in the ribbon. Here you can update the object manually, hide it, activate the multi-items property, change the text for that object, or open the text input panel at the right. You can also change the shape of the object, and apply a style from the selected SmartArt theme. Also, you can bring the object forward or backward and set an aspect ratio. You can choose different visualization options. At the right, you will find a block to configure the column titles by activating or deactivating the respective column title, changing the text, and also applying a corresponding style from your selected SmartArt theme. You can create your own design with standard PowerPoint shapes, text boxes, icons, and more. Then, if you select all objects, the tab Create Custom SmartArt opens up in the ribbon and you can click on New SmartArt to open the wizard. The wizard helps you to transform your design into a fully customizable and flexible SmartArt. We have prepared a separate tutorial video for the wizard.